Hi, I'm Kristen Ryan, and let's get transparent. So I'm just coming back from a Big I conference where agents from all 50 states go down to Washington, D.C., and we lobby about issues affecting our industry. So this one, I'm going to conveniently stay on a topic that something that we are fighting for, and that is litigation abuse is crazy in this country. And we weren't down there trying to fight against lawsuits because that's never going to happen. If you want a least litigious country, you're going to have to move. Fun fact, that is Japan. So lack of lawyers there, and they really don't sue that much. So yeah, so we're not going to fight that. Lawsuits are going to happen in this country. You're not going to stop them. But what we were fighting for is there's something called third-party litigation funding. This is where your law firms are backed by third-party funders, and a lot of times they are foreign entities. They could be shell companies, they can be government-backed. We don't know who they are, and that's crazy to say because of the land of regulation here. It is one area that does not have to be transparent and tell you who is funding these. So what happens when the claim gets paid out? The lawyer gets their cuts, the insured obviously gets their cut, and then they have to pay these third-party funders. And these third-party funders are getting very minimal tax, if any. You got the law firm getting taxed, the insured's getting taxed, so the insured is actually making out a lot less than if they actually just went through the proper claim process. So what we were down there fighting for is the Litigation Transparency Act to get pushed through. And this would just make it that, so that you have to declare who these third-party funders are. It seems like a pretty bipartisan issue, and hopefully it does get passed, and hopefully once you find out who these third-party funders are, maybe they will stop funding and we will stop getting these nuclear lawsuits. Because what is happening, it is raising your premiums. When you have all these companies and these carriers paying out crazy amount of money, they push this down to the consumers, which again, raise your rates. So that is it for our transparency corner. And any questions, please let us know. Thank you.